Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shion Digital. So let's go into it. I believe this is what we've been waiting for. Just drop not quite long. So how to claim your dog coin into your sex exchange, all right, which is your centralized exchange. So let's dive into it. But before we go into that, let's read what is said here so that we'll know what we want to do and how to do it correctly. Claim to Telegram wallet and SEX, which is centralized exchange, is now open. All right, is now open. Then you will find all the instructions inside the app. Don't forget, you will need an account on the exchange of your choice and completed KYC. So by now, I believe you should have done your KYC. All right. So, and if you haven't, maybe you don't have Bybit and all, you can as well just withdraw your money into your Telegram wallet or your Ton wallet or your My Ton wallet. Please remember, you won't receive tokens immediately, but they will be deposited in the account of your choice by 20th of August. So once you claim it now, it's not going to drop in your wallet immediately, but it's going to be deducted from your account, and then you have access to it on the 20th of August. All right, so let's continue. If you don't have an account yet, you can register it here. So if you don't have an account with these people, Bybit, OKS, you can register it. But I've tried it. It's just OKS and Bybit that is available. Then this other wallet, which is Tonkeeper or My Ton wallet. Then we participate and I load on the app, and the claim button won't appear to everyone at once. If you have trouble accessing the app, please try it again later. So if you are not seeing your own, you can't claim now, don't worry, just relax. Before 20th of this month, you can still do it. All right, so don't be in a rush to do it, just take your time. So if you decide to withdraw tokens to a non-custodial wallet, that option will be available on the 20th of this month. So for non-custodial wallet, I don't know what you need to do now, because you can't claim yours now. It's going to be available on the 20th of August. So what is non-custodial wallet? Non-custodial wallet is wallets like Tonkeeper, My Ton wallet. For now, just don't forget to connect your non-custodial wallet. If you don't have a Ton wallet, you can create one from Tonkeeper. How to use your Telegram wallet or your Tonkeeper wallet, I'm going to show you in this video, and also how to use Bybit and OKS. So let's go into it. Here you can see I have 27,279 here, and I have deposit to exchange, so I can click on that. Just click on it. Then we have exchange, then we have wallet in Telegram. So this is your Telegram wallet. Then we have non-custodial wallet, which is not available now, which is going to be available on the 20th of this month. So you can just do that if you're using non-custodial wallet. But since I'm going to use my exchange wallet, which is my Bybit, I'm going to eat this one. Once I do that, I'm going to click continue. Then I'm going to use my Bybit. So I'm going to click on Bybit. Then I'm going to click on send right here. Once I do that, it's going to ask me if I have an account. Do you have an account with Bybit? I'm going to say, if you don't have an account, you're saying no, let's create. But if you do, you're going to say yes, I have an account. I'm going to click on that. Then here it's going to say add your deposit address, UID and memo to receive your dog. From here you can see Bybit UI. All right, this is where I'm going to put my Bybit UI. Then this is where I'm going to put my address, and the last one is where I'm going to put my which is going to be my memo. So let's go to Bybit and do that right away. So right here from my Bybit, all I need to do is to come to asset. So I'm going to click on asset. Then I'm going to right now click on funding. All right, once I click on funding, then here I'm going to search for dog. So it's going to be dogs with S. So I'm going to click that, DOGS. Once I do that, then the first one is the dogs. I'm going to hit that, click on it. Once I click on it, I'm going to wait for it. All right. So once I see this, I'm going to click on deposit. All right. Once you click on deposit, then you are going to go ahead and then choose the network. So it's going to be on turn. So I'm going to click on turn. Then this is what I'm going to copy, right? I'm going to copy all of these things. So number one is the address, which is this. I'm going to click on this button to copy all this address. So once I copy that, I'm going to head on back to my account here on dog. So where you have address, which is the second one, I'm going to paste that there. So the next thing I want to do is to paste my any of this one, memo or UID. So let's go back to that Bybit. So my tag is my memo. All right, this is my tag and this is my memo. So I'm going to click on it. You can see it's here. For successful transaction or transfer, please make sure the tag or memo is accurate. So I'm going to click on this to copy it and go back to that place. Then I'm going to put that in the memo section. So once I do that, the next thing for me to do is the UI, which is Bybit UID. All right, what is Bybit UID? So we're going to go back to Bybit and then look for Bybit UID. To get your Bybit UID, you have to go back to the home page. So I'm going to click on back here. All right, once I click back again, I'm going to click back again. Then I'm going to click back again. All right, now once I have gotten to this part, I'm going to click on home. Once I click on home, then I'm going to go to this corner where you have your logo, which is a logo. Click on it right here. So once you click on it, this is where you are going to get your Bybit UID. You can see Bybit UID right here. Then click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to tell you that you've copied it. You can see copy successfully. There's a button after the number. That is the button you're going to click to copy it. So I've copied it. Then I'm going to go back to my Telegram. So right here, I'm going to paste the UID right here. Once you've done this, the next thing you want to do is to just go ahead and click on send. Make sure everything is correct. Click on send. Then again, what you need to do, this is what they ask you to do: confirm withdrawal of 27,279 dogs. Then this is the address, this is the UID, this is everything. KYC passed only. So make sure you've done your KYC, then say and confirm it. So once you've done that, it says deposit is in progress. So just click on whoop. Now that you've done that, you can see the money has disappeared and withdraw. So that is how to withdraw from your dogs to your Bybit account. All right. So that will be the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video, share, and make sure you drop comment in the comment section and subscribe to this channel. You can also join us in the Telegram group. I will drop the link in this video so that you will not miss any updates on this channel. I will also be dropping another video maybe after this one or tomorrow on how to connect this or to withdraw to your Telegram wallet, since we don't have access to my Ton wallet or Tonkeeper yet. All right, see you in my next video.